In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import HTML into Figma. We're going to use the quickest approach, importing a live website directly from its URL so you can get editable frames on your canvas in just a few clicks. Start by opening Figma and heading to the Action tab. Then choose Plugins. This is where we will access the tool that makes the whole process seamless. In the plugin search, type html.to.design, then run it. If your panel opens in a floating window, keep it nearby so you can copy and paste easily. Make sure you've got a design file open and a stable internet connection, because the import happens online. Next, paste the URL of the website you want to bring into Figma into the plugin's text field. It works best with publicly accessible pages. So avoid anything that sits behind a login or requires complex user interaction. Also, it's a good idea to use pages you have permission to reproduce, since you'll be creating an editable version inside your project. Before importing, choose the viewports you need, such as desktop, mobile, or tablet. This tells the plugin which responsive versions of the site to capture. If you are designing primarily for one breakpoint, pick just that to keep your canvas tidy. If you want a full responsive set for comparison or documentation, select multiple viewports. This saves you time recreating common layouts and ensures consistency across sizes. Now click Import. The plugin will fetch the page, process its styles, and generate the site as layered, editable frames on your canvas. Depending on the complexity of the page, this can take a moment. When it's done, you'll see distinct frames for each viewport you selected, organized similarly to how the page is structured. What you get is highly usable groups, frames, text layers, and images mapped into Figma's native elements, which makes it easier to inspect spacing, reuse components, or extract color and typography. Keep in mind, though, that not everything will be a perfect one-to-one match with code. Some effects or interactions may be approximated, and you might need to relink fonts or tidy up layer names if you plan to reuse components. That's normal for any automated import and still much faster than rebuilding by hand. From here, you can edit text, adjust layout, swap images, and annotate or prototype right inside Figma. It's a powerful starting point for audits, redesigns, and rapid mockups. All from a live URL, that's all to it. Thanks for watching.